Hello, this is Mark Sabatella from Outside Shore Music, home of Mastering MuseScore. In this week's tip, I want to show you a new feature of the selection filter in MuseScore Studio 4.6. Now, the selection filter itself is not new. It's perhaps underused because it's not necessarily that well understood and maybe not as useful as you might want, but it is now more useful than ever, and I'm going to show you one of the things that it can do, which is a pretty common request. And that is, let's say we've got a sequence of chords here, and I want to delete all but the top note. The top note is the melody note, and I want to delete basically the second and third notes in each of these chords. Well, I can select that range. I can then open the selection filter with View, Selection Filter. You can see I've given it a custom keyboard shortcut, F5. And now that I've done this, you can see everything in that range is selected, but I can now exclude some of it from the selection. Like what I want to do is I'm going to delete the second and third notes here. But I want to keep everything else. So all these markings, the articulations and dynamics, I want to keep them. So I don't want them selected. When I press delete, I don't want them to go away. So here where it says notation elements, I'm going to say turn off the all option. And so now only the notes are selected. But I don't want all of the notes to go away. I only want the second and third notes to go away, right? I want to exclude the top note from the selection. So I'm going to unselect top note here in the selection filter, and now you can see what's highlighted now is just the second and third notes from each of those chords. And now if I press delete, boom, they go away, leaving everything else. And what's really nice about this is, let me undo that change, this is still a range selection. So I can also, for instance, do copy and then come over here and paste, and therefore paste just the bottom two voices, etc. So anyhow, it's a useful tool for a number of compositional tasks. So hopefully you find that information helpful.